How to reset First Republic Bank password. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your First Republic Bank password. But before we get started, there is one information you need to know. Uh, First Republic Bank has been acquired by JP Morgan Chase, so you are going to have to use your Chase Bank's website in order to recover your password. Simply go ahead and open up the website here and then tap on the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, you'll be taken directly over to the sign in portal. Once landed on the login page, you can just directly tap on the forgot username/password option down below the sign in button. Now you're going to have to provide your social security number or your tax ID number. Just go ahead and enter any one of those. Click on the other option and enter your account, card, or application number. Then tap on next. You're going to have to provide other details like your phone number or your email address. They're going to send a reset link to any one of those your contacts. Then enter the code, create a new password, and use that new password to simply log into your account. That's how you basically change password or reset password from Republic Bank. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.